Are you a small business owner who is looking to start advertising on social media? If so, you are in luck. In this video, I am going to share with you 20 social media advertising tips for small businesses. By following these tips, you can create a successful social media campaign and have a social media strategy that will help you grow your business. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Number 1. Figure out where your target audience hangs out online. Social media can be one of the best advertising strategies for small businesses when you find your target audience's preferred platform. This is the first and most important step in effective social media marketing. If you don't know where your target market audience is spending their time, you'll have a hard time reaching them with your social media efforts. Do some research to find out which social media channels are the most popular with your target demographic. Number 2, create engaging content. Your social media marketing will only be effective if you are able to capture the attention and hold the interest of your target market. That means creating high quality content that is relevant and interesting to your audience. Brainstorm some ideas for ad campaigns that'll speak to the needs and the interests of your market, and make sure that your social media strategy is a success. Number 3, make sure your ad campaigns are visually appealing. Visuals are key on social media, so make sure that your posts include images and videos that are going to grab the attention of your target customer. Hire a professional graphic designer to create visuals for your ad campaigns if necessary, or you can even try a free tool like canva.com to design yourself. Number 4, use effective calls to action. Your ad campaigns should include clear and effective calls to action that encourage your target audience to take a desired action. Whether you want them to click through to your website or download a coupon, make sure your call to action is clear and easy to follow. Number 5, target your advertising campaigns specific to each social network. Each social media network has its own unique advertising opportunities and capabilities, so make sure that you're taking advantage of all of the targeting options available on each platform. For example, Facebook and Instagram allow you to target ads based on interests, demographics, and even behaviors. This means that you can reach your ideal customer with laser precision. Twitter also offers a variety of options, including keywords, interests, and even location. This makes it easy to target your audience on the platform. Now, LinkedIn provides yet another way to target ads through its use of professional networks and groups. This allows you to reach a highly targeted audience with your ads. So each social media network provides these unique opportunities for small businesses to target their ads. Now, by taking advantage of all of the targeting options available, you can ensure that your ads are reaching your ideal customers. Number 6, take advantage of social media tools. There are a number of social media tools available that can help you save time and money while running your campaigns. Utilizing these tools will streamline your advertising efforts and improve your results. To help you out, I have compiled a list of some of the best social media tools for small businesses. Whether you're looking to boost your online presence or better engage with your customers, these tools will definitely come in handy. So first, Zoho Social. Zoho Social is a great social media tool for small businesses because it offers a suite of tools to help you manage your social media accounts in just one place. With Zoho Social, you can create and schedule posts, you can track who's talking about your brand, you can measure your performance with analytics, plus Zoho Social integrates with over 35 business applications, so you can manage your social media accounts alongside with your other business tasks. Next, Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a powerful social media management platform that allows you to monitor and post all of your social media accounts in one place. It's especially useful for small businesses as it can help you save time and simplify your social media workflow. It's very similar to Zoho Social. So next is Buffer. It's another great social media management tool that's perfect for small business. And just like Hootsuite, it lets you post to all of your social media accounts in one place. But what sets Buffer apart is its ability to help you schedule your posts far in advance. And this can be a huge time saver, especially if you are running a busy social media account. Next is CoSchedule. CoSchedule is another great social media tool for businesses that want to save time by scheduling their posts in advance. But CoSchedule goes one step further than Buffer by allowing you to manage your blog posts, your email newsletters, and all of your other marketing tasks from one central platform. So next is Meet Edgar, and this is one of my favorites. If you are looking for a social media tool that'll help you keep your content fresh, Meet Edgar is a great option. Meet Edgar is a social media management tool that allows you to recycle your content so that you can easily repurpose it and share it across all of your social media accounts. With Meet Edgar, you can schedule your posts in advance and the tool will automatically publish them for you. Plus, Meet Edgar makes it easy to track your performance with analytics so you can see what's working and what is not. So, number 7, you want to test your ad campaigns. Always be testing and improving your ad campaigns for maximum effectiveness. You want to try different versions of your ads to see which ones perform best. Then you can make adjustments as necessary. Social media analytics will help you address which campaigns are doing best, and then you can make adjustments based on that data. This allows you to make changes on the fly, control your budget, and prevent wasted time and money. And that, of course, is super important. Number 8, keep an eye on your competition. See what kind of social media advertising campaigns your competition is running and take note about what's working well for them. You can learn a lot from observing the successes and the failures of others in your industry. Follow their social media accounts so that you can keep an eye on what they're doing. You can use social media management tools like Zoho Social to make this even easier. Number 9, use relevant hashtags. Hashtags can be a great way to reach new people on social media. Use relevant hashtags to get your posts in front of people who might not otherwise have seen them. Number 10, offer coupons and discounts. People love getting a deal, so offering discounts and coupons on your social media advertising can be a great way to attract the attention and encourage conversions. The best way to do this is to send your audience to a landing page where you exchange their email address for the coupon. This allows you to grow your email list and integrate your email marketing with your social media marketing strategy, and this is a win-win. Number 11, host a contest or giveaway. Contests and giveaways are another great way to engage potential customers and get them interested in your products and services. Brainstorm some creative ideas for contests and giveaways that will align with your advertising goals. You can use tools like WooBox, Easy Promos, Gleam, or Wishpond to make your contest easy to run and fun. Number 12, collaborate with influencers. Influencers can be a great way to reach new people on social media platforms. Find influencers who align with your brand and collaborate with them to promote your product or service. Number 13, use boosted or sponsored posts or stories. Many social networks offer sponsored stories or posts, which are essentially ads that get placed in a user's newsfeed. These can be very effective, but they need to be well targeted and relevant to the user in order to avoid being ignored or just scrolled past. Number 14, consistency is the name of the game. The best strategy for social media marketing is consistency, hands down. The more you can be consistent, the better your social media strategy will pay off. The faster you'll grow and the more engagement you will get on your pages. There are several ways that you need to be consistent. So first is with your style. You want to look like the same person, the same business across everything you do. Next, you want to be consistent with your frequency. Post in a frequent manner that you can uphold. Next, with your engagement. Respond to your comments, reviews, and questions timely. Next, with your message. Some social media channels may be more casual than others, but your messaging and tone should all remain consistent. Number 15, use retargeting ads. Retargeting ads are a great way to keep your product or service top of mind with potential customers who have already shown an interest in what you have to offer. Now, these ads are displayed to users who have visited your website or taken some other action that indicates that they might be interested in your product. Number 16, monitor your social media advertising spend. It's important to keep an eye on your social media advertising spend and make sure that you're getting a good return on investment. You want to track your results and adjust your budget as necessary to ensure you're making the most of your advertising campaigns. Social media platforms make it really easy to create your own ads and manage your own account and budget, but it also makes it really easy to accidentally spend way too much than you intended with very little return. I always suggest starting your budget low until you have an ad campaign that you know is working and then scale it as you spend more. Number 17, optimize your ad campaigns for mobile. With a majority of social media users accessing social media platforms via mobile devices, it is essential that you optimize your small business advertising campaigns for mobile. Make sure that your ads are properly sized and formatted for mobile devices so that they will be delivered to mobile users and then they will be more likely to convert. Number 18, ask questions. With every social media platform, the most important thing is engagement. Posts that get engagement get shown to more people. And if you want more engagement, the easiest way is to ask for it. By asking for questions or opinions, many are likely to respond. You can ask simple questions or even controversial ones, like whether pineapple belongs on pizza, and if you said yes,
we cannot be friends.
Or a fun way is to show a close-up image of something related to your business and ask, what is this? Wrong answers only. These kind of fun and engaging posts can quickly and easily go viral, even if that means viral for you. Number 19, create lookalike audiences. Lookalike audiences are my favorite for social media campaigns like Facebook ads, and they are a great way to reach new people that are similar to the ones that already like your business. These audiences can be created on many social media platforms and are typically effective at driving conversions. Number 20, keep your advertising goals in mind. It's important to keep your advertising goals in mind at all times and make sure that every aspect of your advertising campaign is working towards these goals. When you track your results and adjust your strategy as necessary, you will ensure that you're on track to achieve your advertising goals. Pay attention to which social media platform is getting you the best results. There may be a time when you want to put more effort into one particular platform and less into another. Social media marketing is flexible, so continue to pivot, to test different strategies, and keep moving towards your small business goals. Social media marketing works. Social media advertising is a great way for small business owners to reach new customers and to grow their business. Keep these social media tips in mind when creating successful social media advertising campaigns that will help you achieve growth and social media success.